As you get moving throughout the day, I hope that you take a brief moment to keep driving through a parking lot. That's right, today is National Empty Parking Space Day. On this day, millions of people in North America take a few extra moments to peruse a parking lot in their neighborhood, admiring and cherishing those empty spaces that have been so graciously provided to them. Whether it be for providing a convenient way to get closer to your shopping experiences, helping you visit a family physician, or simply a place to warehouse your vehicle while at work, the parking space has become a staple of our daily humanity. What started as a local holiday in 1997 in Waldo, Ohio, was officially adopted as a national holiday in 2012. Originally designed as a day for people in Waldo to celebrate the repaving of the Waldo Dairy Bar parking lot, people across North America have quickly embraced this day to celebrate the local empty parking spaces that have turned their communities into a beacon of progress and commerce. So today we salute National Empty Parking Space Day. Celebrate today by leaving a parking spot empty today.